Okay, so I left off with the cold water, huh? Left off with cold water. First floor, second level. Oh, that's second. Waste. Second water. Okay, so I came up from the first. Waste water. Came up from the first level. First water. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm just checking to see if everything is, all my T's are crossed and my I's are dotted. Okay, so we got up and down. Okay, everything looks good. I think I'm gonna go to the second level. Second, man, okay, it looks like I got a lot of these guys open. Second, okay, and yeah, so I can tag these, or, you know, going down. Okay, so let's move on to the waste. I need to, okay, that one and the water. Okay, so we are waste one. So what I need to do on the second level is to collect all the waste from the second level and bring them down to the first level. And I think that the best way to do that, I'm going to come down and drop here in this area and drop, come and slope this way, drop, slope here, and drop in this area. So that when I go to the first level, I can pick it up here and here and here. But it looks like I'm going to have to make some modifications. So I need to disconnect and extend. Looks like I have to drop into that pipe, and I will extend and drop into that pipe. So how do I do that? Now let's go to the second level. Okay, and do the same thing as we've gone over before, over and over again, but I just like to practice. Okay, so we go to the second, and let's go to second level. Okay, let's do this. Filter. We are looking at waste. Okay, let's do that. That looks okay. And here we go. So make sure we're on the same system. Sanitary. 1/2. Let's do that. And again, we are going to make our trap. Okay, so let's go up a little bit, and let's go to the plan view, second level. I'm gonna change these guys. I like to draft in that view. Okay, I'm not gonna slope because it's gonna take too much time to make those fittings. But yeah, this needs to be sloped 2 inches at 1/4 per foot, but I'm not going to slope it for demonstration purposes. Let's go, what have I got? 1 1/2. I think that I'm going to change this to a 2 inch. And 2 inch. And come all the way here. Okay, let's use that and come back. And let's make these connections here. 1/2. Sanitary again. 1 1/2. I think what I'm going to do is bring this guy down some. Okay. So when I come down off, erase this, come down off, and you'll see that we have some kind of dynamic aligning going on, I hope. I hope. Sanitary, let's see if we can get it. Dynamic, yes, this one. Okay. I think I can continue. Yeah, okay. And the trap is gonna be okay because it's fixed. Okay, that's good. So yeah, that's a little better. Having that come down makes life just a little bit easier. Let's go back and do the same thing. Make sure we have a habit of going over to the properties. Make sure we have the right properties. Look at our dynamic connection. Okay, make our trap again. And then we go on to the third lavatory. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the right side. Okay, that's good. So that defaulted to my water, but I got the system type as sanitary. Let's see, how does that work? Change this. Should be domestic cold water. Come on. What happened? Oh, what am I doing? Ah, okay. I was thinking I was working in cold water again. So let's do this. I want to change this to sanitary. Okay, I thought I lucked out on something when in fact it was me kind of losing grip on what I'm trying to do. Make that, then make the connection. Make the connection. Come on. We need to make the connection. Yeah, okay. Okay, so a little lapse on my part. So we go back to 2. Okay, so here, let's rotate 90. And look at this section. So here we can adjust, I can come back and down to the first level. So I want to pick up here, so I'm going to need to make some modifications. Let's do waste section. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to erase it. Let's do that. Let's go back here. I'm gonna go to the 3D section so I can see what's going on. Okay, so this is the first level that I need to connect to, and one, two, three. Okay. So we got this guy. I need to, because I want to connect into that. That's a 2-inch, correct? Correct. Yeah. Okay. I don't like that fitting at all. Let's get rid of that. And go to first level. Okay. And let's extend this 2-inch. Okay, that should be a 2-inch. Okay. Let's go back. Yeah. I can make this, I'll make this 2-inch at this section. Okay, we'll be all right. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So now, that's from above, right? Yes, that's that pipe. Okay, so we're on the right track. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Okay. So, what we need to do is go to the first, let's go to second level. Okay. And let's go to section. Okay. So this is what we need to do. I need to line up this horizontal with this horizontal, right? So that I can make the connection here, right? So what has to happen is, I think I'm gonna take just a little bit off. Take that off. Let's not select the link. Okay. Take that, and what I'm gonna do is move this guy up, and put it about right here, because I want to use that to align my pipe. Okay. So we go to second level, waste. Okay. So what we need to do is align one pipe to the other. Now I know that it's lined up with my first level. Let's go back. I think I'm gonna go here. Let's go here. Okay, there's a lot of things going on right now that you can do. I'm gonna do that and go here. I think I'm gonna erase this guy. And what kind of, let's see, let's go back to 1. Okay. Let's rotate that negative 90. Let's do a negative 90 just to see what's going on here to make the connection. Okay. Second, first. So I'm going down. Wait a minute, something doesn't look right. So how are these connections? What is it, going down into it? Oh, okay, we got a long tail piece here. As long as it's less than 2 feet. Okay, then it's okay. So let's go back to my first. Okay, let's go back here, and let's make that connection. Okay. Let me just start over. Yeah. Start all over again. Okay, so we're not using water, so I shouldn't get so excited. So that's 1.5. That looks good, so we can get our connection here. Yeah, okay. And we can make the trap just for the heck of it. Now, let's see, what have we got? We are looking second level, waste. Okay, let's make that turn at 90 degrees. Okay, so we can see everything that's going on. Let's look at that section again. Now we can make the connection, right? But I think I'm going to make this connection down, because on the first level, what I need to do is connect into here. Okay, so this connection is going to be a sanitary connection. Let's I think, man, let's go to section view. Okay, that's fine. Draw a pipe. Okay, and now we can make that connection. But I don't want that type of connection. I need this guy. Okay. Now let's go and see what's going on. Okay. So we go from the second level down to the first level, having modified this area. Now we can pick up the waste coming from the second level, first level, and we need to make this connection and that connection. So how do we do that? Let's go to section view. No, let's go to first level, second level, first level. First level, okay. I'm going to, yeah, I need an alignment piece, right? So let's rotate. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop here. And continue on the next lesson. So I will talk to you guys later.